Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel today. My name is Howto, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay, today on the chopping block we got burgers, olive burgers. Today that's what we're going to be making, and this is going to be a big olive burger. So stay tuned in. Hey guys, I'm back. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started with these patties and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and get me a plate so I can form me some patties up. Alright guys, patties. I'll go ahead and get me some gloves on. So I get my hands sticky. We got our gloves. Let me go ahead and tell you what all we got here. We got some, these are Kaiser buns. Not rolls, Kaiser buns, okay? Very soft. We have some cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese. We have some romaine lettuce right here. We have some onions right here. Yeah, some onions right there. We have also over here, if you can see that, some pickles right here. We have tomatoes. We have some olives. And we have mel. Then we have black pepper, mustard, and salt. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to go ahead and get these patty made up. While I go ahead and struggle with these gloves, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and get some big handful of this burger. Play with it like Play-Doh. So we can get it all smashed up good. You can roll, some people roll it like this. Okay? And you smash it like this. Use the palm of your hand like so. These are going to be probably a half a pound burgers. Half a pound. Okay, and we just sit this one to the side. Grab a big old handful again. And go like this. That's how I normally do it. Roll it. Smash. With your palm. Smash. Flip it. Smash. Okay. That's that one. I'm going to go ahead and continue doing these, then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and start with these Kaiser buns. Now if you have some butter, you can use some butter. I have spray butter, so I'm going to use my spray butter. I'm going to show you that spray butter right here, okay? So I'm going to spray mine down like so. Sit it on there. Like so. These ain't going to be on there that long. Just want to brown them up, that's all. Okay, that's all you want to do. I'm going to let that brown up. Now while that's browning up, we're going to take our salt on one side of it and just season it. Okay? You want to put a lot of salt on it. Don't put a lot on there. Okay? It may look like it. This is fine salt. This is sea salt. Okay? Or more than. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and go with our black pepper. This is coarse black pepper. I'm just gonna season that lightly. Alright. When them buns get done, we're gonna go ahead and put these on and season the other side, okay? Let's take a look at them buns. See how they doing? I smashed down on mine a little bit to try to get them brown all the way through, because if you don't do it, it just start burning around the edges. Okay, so I'll just check it out. Okay. These are the ones get done the quickest. Okay. Alright. They're getting there. See that one? That's getting there. Of course, I got this set on medium high. So about another minute, not even a minute, about 30 seconds, these will be ready to come off. Sometimes I like to do this just to make sure they get brown evenly. Or you can put them in the oven. Okay, let me check this out again. That should be good enough. Alright. See how that one look. I will let that one sit on there a little longer. Put them down there. Check out these top line. Yeah, that's cool. Let him sit on there a little longer. Check out this one. Yeah, that's cool. That's perfect. So we're gonna let them sit on there just a little bit longer. Smash down on them a little bit. Alright. Check that out. See what I mean? See? Perfect. Perfect. Alright. We're going to go ahead and go in with our hamburgers. Remember, it's half a pound. That's a big monster right there. Alright, let me wash my hands. Season that side. Alright. Go with the black pepper. Now you can put onion powder and garlic powder and all that stuff on if you want to. I'm not going to do these like that. Because other burgers I cook, I put all them ingredients on it. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, we're going to take the look up under there. See how that looks? Looks good to me. And flip it. Press down on it. Flip it. Press down on it. We're going to let that cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and let these burgers rest for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese on and let them rest for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. I got to thinking, I said I should just go ahead and show you guys putting that on there. So I'm going to put this cheese on there. Okay. Getting 2 slices. Always hard to get the last one off for some odd reason. So we're gonna go ahead and let that rest about 5 minutes. I say 5 minutes. Let the juice go right back into the meat, and I'll be back and put these things together in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Are you guys ready to make the best, biggest olive burger on YouTube? Let's get cracking. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start with our meal. I'm gonna lightly put meal on the bottom. I'm gonna put a lot of meal on the bottom. Okay? Should be plenty. Right there. Okay? Alright, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there because I need to put some, well, we can go ahead and put some on the top while we at it. Where I ain't gotta use this anymore. So we're gonna put some over there, like so. Alright. Put some on this one. By the way, this mayonnaise I'm using is Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise, you can use olive oil, like mayonnaise, olive oil, or whatever you want to use. I'm using Miracle Whip today. Alright, now I'm done with this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go with our olives. Put some of those on there. Like so. I'm going to put some on this other one. Some on there. Okay. Put some on this one. About even. Okay. Done with that. Alright, we'll go with some onions. I like to break my onions up a little bit. So I don't have to bite into a big piece of onion. Just put it on there. See what I'm doing? I'm putting the middle piece in the middle. And I'm distributing the rings around the other one. Put a little mustard on it. Okay. And I tell you, this is the best, biggest olive cheeseburger on YouTube 2019. I am not lying. Okay. We're gonna go with our lettuce. And decorate it a little bit, make it look pretty. Okay, like so. Take this piece on here like this. I bring them together a little bit more. Other piece up. Alright. Then we're gonna go ahead and go in with our tomatoes. I like to cut them a little thin on some of them. We'll go ahead and move this one over here since that one looks bigger. Okay. We'll go in with some pickles. Then we go in with our burger. We go in with a spatula. It really doesn't matter. It's just in case it's too hot to be touching. Now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put this on top of the top bun, just like so. Okay? Because I'm going to flip it, just like this. If I would have did it the other way, it would fell all over the place. Okay? So we just flip it. Actually, this part go right here. Cheese on. And you just flip it. Alright, I'm done. What you guys think? Some big old burgers right there. I'm gonna go ahead and plate these up and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. And if you guys new here, feel free to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Where Veldog will be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking.